Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to start a new scenario 8, being picky with a Git. In this scenario, we will going to pick a certain commit and we will make a changes from the other repository. This is the Orally Katacoda platform where we will going to learn how you can learn the Git, a version controlling system, in easy and very practical way. This platform provides you to do assignments by hands-on and learn the command. If you have not seen my previous video, then just see the previous video where I have shown the solution of all these 7 scenario from 1 to 7, and I have shown you how you can create a repo, how you can avoid a temporary file to be not added, how you can add a file in a staging area, how you can undo the change, how you can merge the conflict, how you can create a new branches, how you can find out the bug. We have seen all those things in the previous video. If you have not seen, then just go to my YouTube channel, Lecture by Mr. Domne. In that you will find it out the Git repo. Uh, there you will find out the Git playlist, and there you will see all this video. So today I will going to solve a new scenario. So let's start. In order to start it, you need to click on the start scenario. Once you click on the start scenario, you will find the screen. In that screen, before click on the start scenario, just read it. It will going to take you a 10 minute in order to run those steps. Before going to start, just read what actually they have said. So here it is written, the advantage of small commit is that you can be picky about which one you want to merge. Means when you commit it, there is some commit id, hash id is generated, where you want to decide it which you want to pick it. So here we will going to see the same. This problem particularly concern about the long-lived branches that are out of date with the main branch and having some conflict while merging those changes. Means conflict in the sense merging current change with the previous change, so that we can bring all those change on a single repo. So this assignment will help us in order to solve those problems. So we will going to pick up individual commit and we will merge them together and add them into the main branch. So let's start it. Once you click on this start, this command will get automatically executed. So this command we have seen in the previous assignment. If you have not seen, then just look into that. This command means what? This command will show you the logs with respect to this new branch that you have done it. So in order, if you are not clear, then just go through this instruction. Here there total 3 steps are there where you can learn it, how you can solve the conflict while adding the changes. Cherry picking is the first step where they are saying, in order to see the commit that is done on the new branch and the new HTML file that is present on this branch, you need to run this command, git cherry pick and your hash ID or any reference ID. As of now, what is the reference ID is available? This one, right? And here, how you can do it. So in this task, just read this task. Here they are saying that you need to follow the step before merging the 3 commits. We want to replay the commit in order to know that they have actually happened in the original repository. So if you are not clear about anything, here actually no solution is provided. If you have seen my previous video, there while solving, the solution button was also there. It means that here you don't need to do it anything, just need to read this command or read this instruction what they have said. They have said to merge the individual commit, you need to use git cherry pick hash id. You need a hash id or a reference number for every commit in order to merge those conflicts. If no conflict exists, then commit will happen automatically and the merge will combine together in the same repo. Here we are talking about merging those changes. If merging the changes is not clear, then just look into my previous playlist where I explain you what is a merge command and what is a conflict. As of now, just for your information, I just told you why we are doing merging. Merging in the sense, whatever changes you have done today, or like whatever changes is done in the last 2 commit, you want to add it so that you can save those commit to file on your current branch. But in case if there is any conflict on that, conflict in the sense while adding those merging or while merging those changes, if there is any error occur, then that is called a conflict. If there is no conflict occur, then automatically your system will combine those changes and add those file on your repo. Now in order to do that, here just press the continue button. When you click on this continue button, now you will come to the actual command that you need to check, you need to run. Here they are saying how you can resolve that conflict. In order to resolve that conflict, you need to run this cherry pick command, and when you once you run this, it will get resolved. Here, if you want to stop or even if you want to revert the change or revert the conflict to be happen, you can use git cherry pick abort. If it is not clear, just read this line 2 3 times so it will be clear to you. I repeat once again what I am meant to say here. If you want to resolve the conflict that is occurring, then you need to run this git cherry pick abort. If with this command you can stop or you can revert the error that is occurring on the previous commit. So in order to run this command, just click on this command, or you can type also. Before that, you need to press Q so that you can get the dollar sign and you can come out of this file. I press it, press the Q button. So just run this command. In order to run it, just click on this. When you click on this, you can see here this sign is changed to the tick mark. It means that it is already executed. It is showing when you have run this command, something error is coming. It means that this command cannot be applied on this particular hash ID or any reference number. So how you will going to resolve it? See the solution first. In order to, if it is not clear, you can see the solution. This command will result into the merge conflict. In order to resolve the conflict, you need to use the git checkout and select the pick commit. Okay, let me see the solution. Okay, see here we have run this first command. Now in order to run the second command, click on this get status. It will give you the status, means what file is currently you are working, what whether it is added or not, and what is the current scenario of your repo. After that you can click on this git diff command, so it will show you the difference or comparison between last two commit. So when I run this, it is showing me that this is the some hash ID, and the changes is done on this particular line, and in this also you have done, in the next commit you have done these changes. Okay, so here you can find it out the last two commit. So you can pass it out the two head command, and in the number you can pass out 2, so it will show you the last two commit. Here I am not passing anything, so by default it is showing you the difference between last two commit. And what is the reference ID of those? This one is your second and this one is your first reference ID. Now just run this command. So when you run this git checkout their list to command, it will check out the file from the server to your local system. So click on this command. Once you click on this command, it check out the file at your system. Now suppose you just see this, whatever the instruction these are given, it is just to guide you. Okay, if it is nothing clear to you, you can see the solution and you can run it and try to correlate it, try to solve the. Here it is also given here, merging a branch, either manually fixing the file or selecting theirs. It has already said you that you need to select theirs or ours via git checkout. It means that, okay, let's try with ours command. So when I run this command also get executed. So solution is actually provided here itself. But in case if it is not clear, then you can take the help of this solution. Now I have already done this step. Now let's move to the third step. When you move to the third step, it is saying you once the conflict has been resolved, you can continue with cherry pick using the command git cherry pick continue. So it will check for the any still conflict present or not. If it is not, then you can merge the file and you can successfully do it. So in order to run this, let's run this command. When you run this add command, with this git add command, it will add this file list2.html in the staging area of your repository. Staging area is a kind of a temporary area, you can say, inside the Git. Once you commit it, it will save into the repo. So before saving into the repo, there is one staging area, a kind of temporary area where file usually present. Once you are sure that you have done the changes, you want to save it, you can commit it. Now I'm going to run the cherry pick command in order to ensure that there is no conflict still present. So how you can do it? Cherry pick by first adding the previously conflicted item and then using the continue option. So cherry pick command, when you use it, it will resolve the conflict, it will merge the file, and then you can run this command. So when I run this, it's showing me that, you can see here, when I run this command, it's showing me our branch manager, you are currently cherry picking commit. It means that you are resolving the commit and permanently means you are resolving the commit and you are merging the file. Nothing to commit, working train clean. It means that there is nothing to commit, there is already done. There is no error in the commit, there is no conflict in the commit. The previous cherry pick is now empty, possibly due to the conflict resolution. If you wish to commit anyway, use this command. So I want to use this command, then I want to commit it permanently. You can resolve it. Git commit hyphen hyphen allow empty. So when you run this command, press Ctrl X. You can read it here. Cap X means Ctrl X. You can type it. Ctrl X. Yes, changes has done, and then Control C to cancel it. So here you can see that the commit is done. When the commit was done on Sunday, May, this particular time. Why there is a difference in this time and this time? Because we both are in different zone. Might be this server is in different zone, different time zone, and I'm in a different time zone. I've already done this step. Press the continue button. Once you continue button, you get this next scenario. It means that you have successfully completed the step. Hope it is clear to you how you can resolve the conflict, how you can assure that there is no conflict still exists, and how you can merge the conflict or resolve the conflict and merge the changes into your actual repo. If you like my video, then please subscribe it, comment it, and please don't forget to add a comment. Your comment will motivate me to add more video, and don't forget to subscribe. Your subscription will help my channel to grow and add a more video like this. Thank you.